Well, here we are in the middle of our last week. So go ahead and add the date, the 12th. And I'll show you what I mean when I say we're in the middle. So here's the 12th. There's 1, 2, 3 days before it and 1, 2, 3 days after it. So this day, Wednesday, is right in the middle of that week. There are 3 days before and 3 days after it. So today is Wednesday. Now, we took out Wednesday from our list of days of the week. What came before it? Right, Tuesday. Tuesday came before it. What would come after it with that digraph there? Thursday, that TH digraph that says Thursday. So can you read these sentences with me? Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Let's go ahead, take a look at our days of the week song, and I will move that pointer finger right down so that it's pointing to Wednesday now. It's pointing to Wednesday. Can you sing the song with me? Days of the week. Days of the week. Every week has 7 days. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Every week has 7 days. Days of the week. And there are 7 days in every week. And there are 12 months in every year. We are in the month of May. Which month is your birthday in? Which month do you have your birthday? I have mine down here in September. Mine's in September. My husband just had his back up here in May. I have kids that are born in September. I've had kids born in October, and I even have a kid that's born, or kids that are born in November. So we celebrate birthdays lots at my house. Now I have grandkids, and we have birthdays in June and July and even April now. So many months to celebrate. There are 12 months in each year. So let's go ahead and sing the song about the months of the year. And I want you to sing with me so that you can remember them. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. 12 months in each year. All right. Oh my goodness. If I have 2 sticks and I take away 1, 2 minus 1, how many do I have left? I have 1 left. I have 1 left. There is only 1 day of instruction left in our school day. And I'm not really counting Friday because that's just the day that you have to catch up on all of your things and make sure everything is turned in. Now, 2D shapes: circle, triangle, rhombus, square, rectangle, and don't forget, oval. Now, there's other 2D shapes like the trapezoid, the pentagon, the hexagon, and the octagon, which probably looks pretty familiar because you'll see a stop sign on lots of corners that are in the shape of an octagon. Now, we also have our 3D shapes, and in kindergarten, we really focus on the sphere, the cube, the cylinder, and the cone. When you get to first grade, you'll work even more with 3D shapes, and you'll talk about pyramid, and you'll talk about prism, and the difference between a cube and a prism is a cube has a square on every side, and a prism has a rectangle on every side. Let's go ahead and count. And we are going to count to 100 because that's going to be one of the things that our first grade teacher is going to want to know. So let's make sure that when she asks you to count to 100, you are able to do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. We made it. Now we're going to do it a little different today because I'm going to stay with our 100 chart when we count to twos by 20. So we're going to count to 20 by twos on our 100 chart. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now, some of you may have noticed that we only said the numbers that were in white when we counted by twos. These are the even numbers, all of them that count, but when you count by twos, you'll say anything that ends with a 2, anything that ends with a 4, anything that ends with a 6, anything that ends with an 8, and any of these numbers that end with a 0 when you're counting by twos. And when you count by twos, starting with 2, you are doing the even numbers, the even numbers. The other numbers that are in blue are called the odd numbers, the odd numbers. So you have evens and odds. And guess what? Your first grade teacher will tell you all about that next year. All right, let's stay with our 100 chart and do fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So when we're counting by fives, we're using all the numbers that end in 5, all of the numbers that end in 5, and all of the numbers that end in 0. Let's go ahead and count by tens. And when you count by tens, it's this very last row on our 100 chart. It's the very last column on the 100 chart because your column goes this way. So it's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right. So I am adding a song about measurement, another Jack Hartman song about tall and short after calendar.